Hello and welcome back to another video, and this one is going to be an extended edition for those of you who don't have time to watch shorts or TikTok and all that. And this one is going to be a tip and trick, and it's been a while since we did a tip and trick video, and this one is actually a trick, so just keep that noted. So as you can see on the screen, the home screen looks a tiny bit different. And do you hear the sound effect? Listen to this. Obviously, that's the sound effect that you just heard when the Roku reaches a screen that you can't go into. So what can you make out of this? Well, what you can tell is on the home screen, I can move up and down, but I can't move right. That means you can't see any ads that you usually typically get on the right side of your Roku home screen, making it known that the home screen can be ad-free. But how in the world is this possible? How in the world, you might be wondering to yourself, how can this guy have a home screen that is ad-free? Well, this is actually a bug that has gone unnoticed from the folks at Roku who obviously do the coding and all of that for the home screen. They probably didn't know this bug, but I did, and now you know it too. But how can you access this bug so you can get access to your Roku home screen ad-free? Well, this is how to do it. So to get access to the Roku home screen ad-free due to this bug, you gotta press two buttons. First of all, you gotta press the home button. Let me see if I can focus in on that. You gotta press the home button until you see this screen. And that screen is going to be the typical screen you see when you set up your devices. Like if you want to set up your sound woofer or sound bar or whatever. So once you see the screen, go back, and that's it. Now, as you can see, you can check out your Roku home screen ad-free. So that means no more ads that you usually see on the right side of the home screen. All you get is the channels, and of course the left side you get the sidebar of menus. But you gotta keep this noted. This only happens one time. You can't like, okay, I can follow this step and I always get access to the home screen ad free all the time. No, that cannot happen like that, obviously, especially when you hit back and you go this way, you will be accessing the ads. So keep that noted. So if you want to check out the home screen ad free, you got to keep doing this step. Press and hold the home button until you see the setup screen for your speakers, and then you press back. And then you can get access to the home screen ad free. And once again, as I said, this is a bug. So who knows, by the time I upload this extended video, and who knows, maybe it could go viral. I don't know. If it does, and Roku notices, oh my goodness, everybody can access the home screen ad free, they could release an update and it could fix that bug. So just keep that noted. But one more time, if you want to get access to the Roku home screen ad free, press and hold the home button until you see the setup screen to check out the setup screen for the soundbar or speakers, and then you gotta press back, and then you won't get access to any ads, and you gotta keep doing that every time you want to access the ad-free home screen. So keep that noted. Would you try this bug? What do you think of it? I mean, there was some comments a time ago telling me how can I access the home screen ad-free, and obviously there wasn't any official way to access it until now, as I show you, because of this bug that Roku could fix at any time. So keep all of that noted. Alright, so that was a quick video, and that was literally a trick. I mean, I know a lot of people say tips and tricks in the videos when they want to show tutorials and all that, but this was literally, to me, an actual trick that Roku could fix at any time. So keep that noted. Alright, that's it for this edition of Roku Now. Hopefully you got the most out of your Roku experience for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.